Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out Enabot's latest robot companion, the EBO Air 2 Plus. It blends smart home security with a charming AI companion. So let's dive in. But first, in full transparency, I was sent the product for free in the purpose of making this video. So this compact robot packs a 3K Ultra HD camera, auto recharge patrol, two-way video chatting, and AI tracking. It's built to watch your space, respond to you, and keep you connected, even when you're away. It's made of a PC and ABS plastic with a tumbling spherical base. It remains stable even on slopes up to 15 degrees, and can surmount obstacles up to 10 millimeters. You may notice the eyes, those are dual screen. The dual screen eyes add personality and function as a video call display.
So the other really cool thing that you can see is I can actually get my face, my video to pop up on the eyes just by turning on the video call. So you can actually see the person to talk to and they can see you as well. So it's personal and interactive.
The EBO Air 2 Plus captures at 3K, so that's 2880 by 1620 with a 137 degree wide angle lens. It delivers sharp immersive clarity. Now it does have night vision, and that night vision is via IR cut technology and ensures 24/7 monitoring capability. Here's pretty cool when he's moving around, and he does move around 20 to 60 centimeters per second. He climbs moderate ramps and auto returns to a charger when it's low on battery. And one of my personal favorite features is their AI integration. What I like to do is put EBO into desktop mode, and now I can use him as a personal assistant.
Yay! What can I help you with?
Can you explain to me how to apply LUTs in DaVinci Resolve?
Absolutely! Applying LUTs, lookup tables, in DaVinci Resolve is like adding some cool shades to your video.
So what makes the EBO Air 2 Plus so immersive and fun to interact with is the app itself. So if we jump into the app, I'm gonna pop it up right here, and you can kind of see what we can actually use this robot for. So first of all, you have full controls. You can change your speed from 100 to 10. So that's just gonna be how fast it's moving when you're controlling it. It can give you a bit more speed. They can not scare the kids or the animals, stuff like that. And then you have tracking, cruise, AI Explore, and some different apps. So in the apps, you do have a patrol function, then Pet Parrot. Pet Parrot is gonna repeat back to what you say. It's a fun game, and it's gonna change the voice to whichever animal or robot or whatever you choose. And then it does have some skills. It can do some cool little maneuvers, some zigzags, circles, all that type of stuff. So if we go ahead and wake him up, you'll now see the camera's popped up and you have full control. As you can see, my camera's set up. That's what he's seeing. And from here, we can bring him out. Oh, watch my foot. And if it does detect obstacles like it has with my foot, it won't run into it. It will actually stop. Now that took a minute, but as you can see, he found me. And you can see me in the camera just like that. So from here, we can communicate with other people. We can call them with a voice call or a video call. And we can, of course, change our call settings. We can do a video call so that my face will pop up in the eyes. You can take a photo or video of what the camera is seeing. You can do scheduled recordings for security, or maybe you want to make sure your pet is feeding at a certain time and you just want to schedule a recording so you can see that happening. You can even set up a event recording, so it will automatically detect if a pet moves or a person moves, and then it will start recording like that. Again, these are just great security features. And then you can take a snapshot. It's going to detect something like your pet's face and capture a photo.
I have stepped outside really quickly, and as you can see, I'm talking into the phone. It's now pop up this recording I'm taking, and the audio should just come through perfect because I came through the camera with the app and the phone.
Now it does ship with a 32GB SD card. It's expandable up to 256GB. So that means it's great for storing recordings locally. There's also a Cloud Plus subscription, and that unlocks encrypted, unlimited cloud storage and 24/7 playback access. Now let's talk about the battery and the charge a little bit. It is packed with a 5000 milliamp battery, so that's around 9 to 10 hours of standby and video recording. And then you have about 4 hours of continuous movement. Operating noise at about 55 decibel. It's kind of a mild hum, but it's not disruptive. For anyone wanting a compact robot with brain and vision, the EBO Air 2 Plus stands out. It elevates home monitoring, adds AI interaction, and even brings face-to-face calling, all in a cute mobile package. If you appreciate smart home tech that's functional and fun, then this is an exciting pick. Now, if you are interested in the EBO Air 2 Plus, we are going to be leaving a link in the description below. You can head over there to get some more information or pick one up for yourself. I'd love you to leave a comment on what your favorite feature was. Share this to someone who you think would find it adorable and needs this in their life. Hit that like button and of course subscribe for some more great reviews like this.